everybody, welcome. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China, and today the product we want to show you is our valve assembly. Okay, first let's see the outside package, the VCI anti-valve spec. Here this is the label. Actually, the product code of this valve assembly is F00RJ01941. Okay, actually for the local label packages, the details which Shumatt can support customized service. That's the inside product, the valve assembly. Okay, let's see. Firstly, this is the valve cap with the coating figures on the groove, and this is the valve rod. Each product with Shumatt supplies 6 months warranty time. For this valve assembly, you got the quality guarantees. Okay, here are tips for you. If you want to install it, the first step is to make sure the valve cap in the right position, and the second step is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly off the injector body. Okay, so much for the product introduction. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.